Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update Microsoft applications. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my laptop and I'm going to open one of my Microsoft application. So for example, I'm going to open my Excel. I'm just going to double click on it and then we're going to go to the account. Click on the account option right here guys. Tap on the account and here you will be able to update your Microsoft app. You can click on update option and then you will have option to update now, disable updates, view updates, and about updates. And then if you want to update your Microsoft app, you just need to click on update now like this, and then the update will be checked. If there is an update, you will be able to update it right here. Alright guys, and that's all the way to update Microsoft apps. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.